Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla protein powder at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of non-fat dry milk powder, and 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder base. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Make sure your blender is clean and ready for use. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, homemade protein boost. Now, let's get blending. Add the rolled oats, dry milk powder, and protein powder base to your high-speed blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high until the mixture transforms into a very fine, uniform powder. This might take about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, add the vanilla extract and blend for just a few more seconds to ensure it's well incorporated throughout. Once your vanilla protein powder is perfectly blended, it's time for storage. Transfer the powder to an airtight container, like a glass jar, to maintain its freshness. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. When you're ready to use it, simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons to your favorite smoothie or shake for a delicious and nutritious boost. Enjoy your homemade creation. Making your own vanilla protein powder gives you complete control over the ingredients, allowing you to customize it to your taste and dietary needs. It's also often more cost-effective than purchasing pre-made powders, saving you money in the long run. Plus, you avoid unnecessary additives. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.